10 years, 10 long years with this guy. You're joining a great family. They've treated me like a family member all along.
Taylor, it's honestly a little surreal to be standing here beside you on your wedding day. You have grown into a beautiful, independent, talented woman. You set goals for yourself and worked hard to achieve them. You're always there to help others and make time for those you love. Your wit and humor bring a smile to those around you. No matter how old you get, you will always be my baby sister. Simon?
I can only remember a time in my life without Simon. We were such great kids back then, weren't we? But truly, he is a great guy. I wouldn't ask for a better friend.
I hope you know how lucky you are. You will leave here today with a beautiful wife. And Taylor, how lucky you are as well. You leave here today having gained a lovely dress, a wonderful bouquet of flowers, and hopefully some leftover barbecue. In all seriousness, Simon, I couldn't imagine a better match for Taylor. Marriage is about becoming a team, working through the difficult times.
Simon and Taylor, I wish you the best in your new chapters. Congratulations.
So continue to choose each other and choose to live every day to the fullest.
You've always been there through thick and thin.
You've been there through some of the hardest times one can imagine. Through the heartbreak of losing loved ones and coping with adjustments to life after loss. You're always willing to help and go the extra mile. I wanted to find a way to incorporate our sister Stephanie into this special day. And I found something that she said just 2 days before she passed. God is good, prayer is powerful, and life gets better. As you go forward as a married couple, remember that the ones that love us never really hate us. And let her words of wisdom apply to any situations in the years to come. As you enjoy this night, take time to look around and soak it all in. Enjoy every moment, and tell that person you love them daily. If everyone would raise their glasses to Taylor and Simon, I'll end by saying, may your troubles be less, your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door. May for better or worse be far better than worse. Love you both. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.